Alright, Travis, I'm going to go ahead and do the Star Wars Jedi Legacy box break for you. This was the last box that I had in my case, so hopefully we can pull you something good out of here, and I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to open it off camera, that way that it's easier for me. There we go. As you can see, the sealant is coming off. And I think someone just... no, not it. Alright, so there you go, Estria. There's your box. On the bottom of the box, let me go ahead and focus this real quick for you. There you go. Authentic relics of Ewok fur, Chewbacca hair, and Jabba's sail reg are all possible to pull out of this product. Now, I have pulled 2 hits in the past 2 boxes that I've opened, so hopefully we can get you 2 hits out of this. But let's go ahead and get into this. And as I was telling the others, Travis, I do like taking my time opening these boxes. And I like to divide up the packs with the characters on it first as well. So we're going to go ahead and do Anakin Skywalker first, and then his son, Luke. So let me go ahead and quickly divide the packs up. Okay, so there is your stack of Skywalkers that I'm going to go ahead and place over to the side. And here is your pack of his son Anakin, or Luke's father Anakin. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get into this. I'm going to go ahead and lean the camera down. There we go. And let's go ahead. Actually, I'm going to lean it up just a tad. And focus the camera. There we go. Alright, to late Jedi training, to the distress of dear friends, wrath of a great beast, motto influences card, pink parallel of the Jabba factor, death of a guardian, wrath of a great beast, and too old to trust. Okay, next pack. And the hits are so hard to tell where they are in these packs as well. Daredevil abilities, the moment of truth, Daredevil abilities, Bean Lore's influences card, Berular's influences card, sorry. Daredevil abilities, blue parallel, challenge of a fallen Jedi, a daring rescue, and fear for a loved one. Next pack. Tatooine, a civil confrontation, Asana Tahoe, influences card, a dark premonition, blue parallel, the moment of truth, dismemberment, and temptation of the dark side. Next pack. Tatooine, a Civil Confrontation, Biggs Dark Lighter, Influences card, Pink Parallel of Introduction to Royalty, Late Jedi Training, Befriending a Droid, and Celebration of Heroism. Next pack. Battle Through Blood, A Galaxy at War, The Jabba Factor, Qui-Gon Jinn Influences card, Blue Parallel of Death of a Mentor, Mechanical Limb, Dark Urging of the Emperor, and Fear of Potential. Next pack. Okay. Fear of Potential, Mechanical Limb, Moment of Clarity, Anakin Skywalker Influences card, Wrath of a Great Beast, Blue Parallel, In the Lair of Scum and Villainy, Too Old to Train, and Fearful Adventure. Or Fantastic Adventure, sorry. Next pack. Death of a Guardian, Fatherless as a Child, A Moment of Truth, Han Solo Influences card, Pink Parallel of Springing the Trap, To the Lair of Scum and Villainy, Prom Petition of Palpatine, and Together We Conquer. Proposition of Palpatine, sorry. Next pack. Trial by Fett, Proposition of Palpatine, Together We Conquer, Jar Jar Binks Influences card, Dark Urging of the Emperor, Blue Parallel, Truncated Trial, Pilot Squad Leader, and Technical Ability. Let me go ahead and organize your cards real quick. And as I just want to let you know, Travis, I'm just organizing your cards and putting them over there. Let me go ahead and focus there real quick for you. There we go. Alright, let me focus this back. Oof. There we go. Clandestine Birth, A Civil Confrontation, A Life-Changing Disregard of Advisement, Lando Calrissian Influences card, A Celebration of Heroism, Blue Parallel, Clever Thinking in the Heart of Battle, and Dismemberment. Next pack. Battle Through Blood, A Galaxy at War, The Jabba Factor, Count Dooku Influences card, Pink Parallel of a Galaxy at War. Isolation in Act of Extreme Bravery, and a life-changing disregard of advisement. Next pack. One more pack of Anakin's, and then we move on to his son, Luke. Clandestine Birth, Fear of Potential, Mechanical Limb, Dagobah Influences card, Tatooine Blue Parallel, Technical Ability, Balance is Achieved, and Daring Rescue. Go ahead and organize your cards real quick. Alright, last pack of Anakin's. I tell you, some of these packs really don't want to open for you. And this one, I thought I saw a hit, but I did not. And I was going to put it in the back. Okay. Trial by Fett, The Jabba Factor, Death of a Guardian, Grand Moff Tarkin, A Difficult Truth, Green Parallel, Battle Through Blood, Introduction of Royalty, and Temptation of the Dark Side. Okay, now we move on to the Luke Skywalker packs. So, you're guaranteed one hit per box, but I think you should receive two, because that's what I've been pulling in the other boxes. Celebration of Heroism, Loss to a Powerful Dark Opponent, Dark Urging of the Emperor, Tusken Raider Connections card, Blue Parallel of the Moment of Truth, Challenge of a Fallen Jedi, A Dark Premonition, and an Act of Extreme Bravery. Sorry. Alright, next pack. A Dark Premonition, Pilot Squad Leader, Luke Skywalker die-cut mini with a code on the back to do some sorta online game, C-3PO Connections card, Blue Parallel of Pilot Squad Leader, Late Jedi Training, Befriending a Droid, and Celebration of Heroism. Alright, next pack. This one feels rather thick. Oh wow. Okay. That was not expected. You got two hits in the same pack. Talk about that. Springing the Trap, Introduction to Royalty, and you actually pulled one of the rather hard hits, because you're guaranteed one Film Cel Relic at least per box. Tatooine Connections card, a Civil Confrontation Blue Parallel, Mechanical Limb, Dark Urging of the Emperor, and Fear of Potential. And I'm going to go ahead and slow roll your hits, as they are both in this pack. Alright, so your first hit is a Film Cel Relic, and it is a double Film Cel Relic, which is one of the harder ones to find, and it's of Luke Skywalker. On the back, it says, "Congratulations, you have just received a pair of unique film cels from the original Star Wars trilogy featuring the confrontations of Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader here. Luke Skywalker surrenders to Darth Vader on the forest moon of Endor. So not a bad hit right there. And actually, both of those film cells, one is of Luke and Darth, and the other one is of Darth himself. Alright, and your second hit is another film cell, but this is the hardest one to pull. The double ones are very hard, but this one is very, very hard to pull. It is 1, 2, 3 film cells. On the back of this one, it says, "Congratulations, you have just received 3 unique film cells from the original Star Wars trilogy featuring Luke Skywalker." And the first one is him and Leia in Episode 4. The second one is him driving his X-Wing, and the third one is him in the third movie, Return of the Jedi, of him and Yoda. So, not bad pulls, Travis. And maybe you might get another pull because those, like I said, were in the same pack, which is very hard to believe. So you could still end up pulling another hit. But we will see. And if you do, you'll be the first person that ended up pulling 3 in one box. Springing the Trap, Introduction to Royalty, oh my god. 3 hits in one box. Are you freaking kidding me right now? And you know what it is, it's a film cell. It's a single film cell though. A Boba Fett Connections card. I cannot believe you pulled 3 hits. You are the first person that has ever pulled 3 hits out of one of these boxes that I have broke live. I am very, very happy for you. Blue Parallel of Isolation and Youth. Sorry, it's kind of hard because of the glare. The Moment of Truth, Dismemberment, Temptation of the Dark Side, and I'm going to go ahead and slow roll this one. This one is very nice. It is a single film cell relic of the beginning of Episode 4. You can kind of see it right there, of Darth Vader. It's the opening scene where they break into the Republican ship in Episode 4, and Darth Vader comes out with the stormtroopers, as you can see right here. On the back of this one, it says, "Congratulations, you have just received a unique film cell relic from the original Star Wars trilogy, showcasing the journeys of Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader. Here, Darth Vader boards the rebel vessel, the Tantive IV." So I am very happy for you, Travis. You pulled 3 hits. And who knows, at this rate, you could pull even more. I have never seen 3 hits come out of one of these boxes when I have broke them live on camera. Let's see what we can do for you. Fantastic Adventure, Springing the Trap, die cut card of Darth Vader, with the code on the back. This is Owen Lars Connections card. Blue Parallel of Balance is Achieved, sorry. Isolation and Youth, Act of Extreme Bravery and Life-Changing Disregard of Advisement. Let me go ahead and organize these cards again. And let me go ahead and throw some packs away real quick. Okay, next pack. To the distress of dear friends, Jabba Factor, Clandestine Birth, the Force Connections card. That's actually a cool card. Blue parallel of To the Distress of Dear Friends, Technical Ability, Balance is Achieved, and a Daring Rescue. Next pack. A Royal Rescue, Trial by Fett, Moment of Clarity, Obi-Wan Kenobi Connections card, Blue Parallel of Late Jedi Training, Battle Through Blood, Introduction to Royalty, and Temptation of the Dark Side. Next pack. Death of a Mentor, Fatherless as a Child, Truncated Trial, Anakin's Lightsaber Connections card, Blue Parallel of Loss to a Powerful Dark Opponent, Fear for a Loved One, and a Difficult Truth, and Befriending a Droid. Next pack. Balance is Achieved, Death of a Mentor, Isolation in Youth, Emperor Palpatine Connections card, Technical Abilities, Blue Parallel, Lost to a Powerful Dark Opponent, A Galaxy at War, and a Royal Rescue. Two more packs to go after this one. Moment of Clarity, Fantastic Adventure, Springing the Trap. This is R2-D2 Connections card, Blue Parallel of Tatooine, In the Lair of Scum and Villainy, Too Old to Train, and Fantastic Adventure. Let me go ahead and organize the cards again. Throw away some packs. Alright. Got one more pack after this. Fatherless as a Child, A Difficult Truth, To the Distress of Dear Friends. Oops. Padme Amidala Connections card. Blue Parallel of Introduction to Royalty, In the Lair of Scum and Villainy, Proposition of Palpatine, and Together We Conquer. Alright, Travis, in your last pack, hopefully we can pull something out of here for you, but if not, I would not complain because you did pull 3 hits in one box, with one pack being a double hit pack, which is, I'm still shocked at the fact that you actually pulled that. Proposition of Palpatine, Together We Conquer, A Royal Rescue, Princess Leia Organa Connections card, our Blue Parallel of Springing the Trap, Truncated Trial, Pilot Squad Leader, and Technical Ability. So not a bad box, Travis. Again, you did end up pulling 3 hits, because one was a double hit pack, and they're so hard to find out, but there are your 3 hits. Your first hit was, well, your last hit, but I'm going to go in order. Your last hit, which I'm going to say is your first hit. So your first hit was the single film cell relic of Darth Vader when he first comes into the Rebel ship in a new episode 4, A New Hope. Your second hit was a double film cel relic of Darth Vader and Luke Skywalker. And your third hit was the triple film cel relic, all of Luke Skywalker throughout every movie. So great job again, Travis. I am still shocked that you ended up pulling 3 hits, because that hasn't happened to the other people that participated in my break. So you should be very, very happy that you ended up pulling, again, 3 hits. And the triple film cel relics and the double film cel relics are the hardest ones to pull, and you ended up pulling the hardest ones, and you ended up pulling the single film cel relic, which comes in every box. But still, they are all great hits, and you couldn't have pulled a better triple film cel relic than of a main character of Luke Skywalker. So congratulations again, Travis. I will go ahead and upload this video as soon as possible, and I will be shipping out these cards to you this weekend. So thank you so much, Travis, for being patient and participating in this break, and we do hope that you participate in a break with us again. And before I go, here at Autograph Central Supplies, we do box breaks of hobby boxes, cases, blaster boxes, wax boxes, you name it, we do it, and all we strive for is 100% customer satisfaction. So we do hope that you come back and do another box break with us. I would if I ended up pulling 3 hits out of 1 box, because that is still significantly amazing. Let me go ahead and just focus on those real quick. I mean, look at, you got a ton of cards, and those are the best. So we do hope that you come back and do a box break with us, and we hope you have a good night and take care.